Okay, hello everyone. Today we are starting with the Newton's third law. Newton's third law we are starting, and these are the topics which we have to discuss, which we have to cover. First of all, we have to discuss about the Newton's third law. Then we have to discuss the examples: book on the table, pushing a wall, motion of the board, firing a bullet, and rocket motion. These are the things which we have to discuss. Now let us start before starting. Let me remind you that if you are not watching the previous videos, then you are not able to understand the things which we are doing now. Okay, so please watch those videos, they are very important. If you are not watching, you are not able to understand the things. So let us start with the third law. Second law we have already discussed, numericals we have done. We are starting with the third law now what is Newton's third law? So now the Newton's third law says you that for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction, and action and reactions take place on two different bodies. Means when we do an action, obviously we are getting a reaction of that. Whatever the things we are doing, if we are doing an action, then reaction will be there. For example, let us consider an example. For example number 1, say if the book is lying on the table, say this is the book which is lying on the table, this is the tabletop, and this is the book lying on the table. Now how does the action reaction? The action is that the weight of the book, this is the action done by the book, and the reactionary force is provided by the table. The reactionary force is provided by the table. Now if we displace this, means के अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल पे इंक्लाइंड कर दूं, in that case either the book will start coming down, बुक क्या होगा, नीचे आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. अगर मैंने क्या किया, इसको किसी एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल पे थोड़ा सा टिल्ट कर दिया, थोड़ा और एंगल इंक्रीज किया, थोड़ा और एंगल इंक्रीज किया, then action and reaction will disturb and the book will start coming down. So the action is done by the book, the weight of the book acting downward, this is the action done by the book, and the reactionary force is provided by this table. Okay, so in this way the Newton's third law is acting. Two different bodies are there, एक तो book है, दूसरा table है, दोनों action और reaction कर रही हैं, एक action दे रहा है और एक reaction दे रहा है. The second is the pushing a wall. Pushing a wall means कि wall को push कर रहे हो, pushing a vehicle, pushing a ball, pushing anything. When we are pushing something, that means we are applying an action force, and reaction is done by the thing which we are pushing. सपोज आप व्हीकल को पुश कर रहे हो, तो व्हीकल को पुश करोगे तो व्हीकल क्या करेगा, आगे जाएगा. वॉल को पुश करोगे, मे बी द वॉल नहीं जाएगी. इसको वॉल को अगर आप पुश कर रहे हो तो मे बी पुश किया उसको, यू विल फेल डाउन, नीचे गिर जाओगे, या वट एवर इज द थिंग्स. सो दैट मीन्स एक्शन रिएक्शन आर टेकिंग प्लेस एंड they are taking place on the different bodies. Now then we are having motion of a boat. How does the boat moves? Boat move कैसे करती है? So the boatman, say this is the boat, ये boat है, and here is the boatman who is sitting. So what does he do? Water को क्या कर रहा है? With the help of this water को क्या कर रहा है? पीछे push कर रहा है, and the boat is moving forward. इससे water को push कर रहा है. Okay, by applying the force by this, that means action is done by, यहाँ से क्या हो रहा है, action हो रहा है, और reaction क्या है, reaction कौन कर रहा है, water react कर रहा है, and the body is moving forward. Okay, so this is the how the boat move. Firing a bullet को fire कर रहे हो, you are holding a gun in your hands, the bullet को fire किया, तो action you have done. Reaction कहाँ पर आएगा, आपके shoulder के ऊपर reaction आएगा, your shoulder will push backward, या आप थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाओगे. दिस इज द एक्शन, दिस इज द रिएक्शन डन बाय द बुलेट. देन वी आर हैविंग अ रॉकेट मोशन. हाउ डज अ रॉकेट मूव? सपोज एक छोटा सा रॉकेट, दिस इज से योर रॉकेट. सो यहां से क्या होगा, जो गैसेस फ्यूल बर्न हो रहा है, इट इज अप्लाइंग द एक्शनरी फोर्स, और रिएक्शन क्या है कि दैट दिस रॉकेट इज मूविंग अपवर्ड. सो For the third law we are having so many examples. इतने examples हैं कि हम लोग discuss करते हुए थक जाएंगे, लेकिन examples खत्म नहीं होंगे. So many examples are there. It is a very small chapter, so just go through these 5 examples which are given in your books. If you have any problem, ask me. Okay, and continue with the question answers of this, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर के न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं हम लोगों ने करने हैं, क्योंकि we don't have to do numericals. I think 1 or 2 numericals are there, so no need of doing those numericals. After this we are having a gravitational, that gravitational chapter is very important, so please don't miss that video, and that gravitational part we will starting tomorrow. Thank you very much.